Time itself is affected by massive storms on Earth, as a swirling column of clouds can stretch the local clock by up to 20 minutes. Imagine a gigantic, swirling column of clouds towering above the ground, stretching up to 10 miles high, and covering an area as large as 1,000 square miles. This is a severe thunderstorm, also known as a supercell, and it's capable of producing powerful winds, heavy rain, and even tornadoes. But what's even more fascinating is how these massive storms can affect the very fabric of time itself. The clock on a local GPS device might be accurate to within a few milliseconds, but a severe storm can stretch it by up to 20 minutes. This phenomenon is known as clock desynchronization, and it's caused by the intense wind shear and changing atmospheric pressure. The winds in these storms can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, creating areas of low pressure that can cause the clock to slow down. But how does this happen exactly? Well, it all starts with the concept of time dilation, which was first proposed by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity. According to Einstein, the presence of mass and energy can warp the fabric of spacetime, causing time to slow down near a massive object. In the case of a severe thunderstorm, the mass of the storm system creates a region of spacetime that's curved, causing time to slow down relative to the surrounding environment. But that's not the strangest part. The effects of clock desynchronization can be felt even after the storm has passed. The clock on a GPS device might take several hours to adjust back to its normal accuracy, and the effects can even be felt hundreds of miles away. But why is this happening exactly? It all comes down to the way the atmosphere responds to the changing wind patterns and pressure gradients. The atmosphere is made up of layers of gases, each with its own unique properties and behaviors. As the winds in the storm system change direction and speed, the atmosphere responds by creating areas of high and low pressure. These pressure gradients cause the clock to slow down or speed up, depending on the direction and magnitude of the winds. But wait, until you hear what comes next. The effects of clock desynchronization can even be felt in the upper atmosphere. The winds in the jet stream, a high-altitude wind current that circles the globe, can be affected by the changing atmospheric pressure.
This can cause the clock to slow down or speed up, even at altitudes of over 30,000 feet.
The implications of this phenomenon are still being studied and understood, but one thing is clear: the atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system. It's full of mysteries and wonders, and scientists are still learning about the intricate relationships between the atmosphere, the Earth, and time itself. So the next time you hear about a severe thunderstorm, remember the fascinating effects it can have on time itself. It's not just a storm, it's a demonstration of the incredible power and complexity of the atmosphere. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that the effects of clock desynchronization can even be used to improve the accuracy of GPS devices. By taking into account the effects of the atmosphere on the clock, GPS devices can be made even more accurate and reliable. This is just one example of the many ways in which the atmosphere affects our daily lives. From the weather we experience to the clocks we use, the atmosphere is an integral part of our world. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember the incredible power and complexity of the atmosphere. It's not just a bunch of clouds and wind, it's a dynamic system that affects everything around us. The atmosphere is full of mysteries and wonders, and scientists are still learning about the intricate relationships between the atmosphere, the Earth, and time itself. So if you're interested in learning more about the atmosphere and its effects on time, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and content. And don't forget to like and comment below to let us know what you think about the fascinating effects of clock desynchronization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories about the atmosphere and its effects on time.